The mess, because you don't done the mess. Leave it. Hi guys. It's Monday, first day of half term. So we didn't do much. We just at home. So we're just trying to cook dinner, and Madam Faith is gonna do our dinner for tonight. She's teary because she's cutting onions. The struggle is real with onions, mate. It's real. So she's gonna do fried rice. Hey, enough. I'm just cutting some cabbages. So yeah, so we'll see how that goes. She hasn't cooked in a while, because I think at school you used to cook. She used to have food tape for year 7, 8, and 9, isn't it?
Yeah.
But year 10 for some reason they don't do food tape.
No, because we're doing GCSE. You can choose it. You can choose food tape for GCSE, but I didn't choose it.
Okay. So if you don't choose it for GCSEs, you don't do it. So, but yeah, so we're gonna cook some food. We'll see how it goes. We'll give you the verdict after we chomp on it. But I'm sure she'll do well. She'll do well. But yeah, so. Guys, I forgot to tell you about the food Faith cooked. We served, we ate, and then I remembered that I didn't show you the picture, guys, but it was really nice. She done very well.
And then I accidentally put it on. I didn't accidentally. I put it on there because I thought, I'll be alright.
This boy here, this monkey over here of mine, he thought, oh. He tasted the food and then he was like, oh, I need chili, which he's never eaten before, really. So he goes and gets the Nando chili and pours it all around his food. Not a little bit, just kind of drenches it in it. And then he sat there and he's like, oh, it's chili. And I'm like,
Listen,
what is wrong with you?
I didn't know.
What do you mean he didn't know? Why didn't you know that it was chili?
It's gonna be that like
On the bottle it says very chili. It tells you how chilly it is. Yes.
I didn't see it.
He didn't see it. I bet you didn't even read it. So he ended up
Should I put more than Dad's puts?
I don't know how much you put.
Mate, that means I'm
So it's more chili. No, you're not hard, because he had to put coleslaw to dumb it down.
I didn't.
Yes, he did.
Why are you lying?
He did have to put coleslaw. He was there going, oh, it's very chilly. Oh. I'm like, what did you do? I said, how much did you put? Oh, I put all around the food. Why?
Like, you capping. Stop the cap.
What?
The cap.
How am I capping?
Stop the cap.
Voice, man.
You're trying to eat.
But anyway. Hey guys, hope you're all well. Why do I look like I've got a cone head up in here? Shows how much my hair's grown. Today is, what's today? Tuesday, Wednesday? Tuesday. Thank God. If it was Wednesday, I would have cried.
Why?
Because half time I wanted to go to go slowly. Yeah, so it's Tuesday, and I think today is laundry day. It is laundry day. I have just finished a batch of ironing, and now I've got another load in the washing machine, so I need to do that. Hopefully it finishes soon, then I can iron it. You know what, guys, I've had people who say that they don't iron, and I always think, okay, if you don't iron, obviously there's an option of paying someone, but like surely you iron some stuff. Like there's who was it? I think Lydia Dinger. She said she doesn't iron, and I was like, so okay, so I guess you pay someone probably, because if you don't pay someone, then how? Even though you have a tumble dryer, surely you have to iron some stuff, But people say we don't iron, and she had bought a new ironing board and an iron, and she was trying to figure it out, and I'm thinking, what? You don't have an iron? You're trying to figure. It was like, wow, you don't iron. You don't even know how iron works. Like, I'm like, okay, but yeah, some of us do iron on the daily. Because the way clothes go in this house, it's an everyday different outfit. And for me, the way I do it, because I ain't got time to be, different clothes every day. So for me, especially the twins, Faith and Jerome, they do their own thing, But most of the time they re-wear the clothes. But for me, with the twins, I tend to, if the clothes are not dirty, they wear it twice, or I put it away and then they wear it another day, because I can't be coming out here killing myself over washing clothes and ironing. It's too much. It'd literally be too much if they had to wear different clothes every single day. No. That'd be too much. This is not a fashion show, okay? He's gone for a sleepover at his best friend's. So he won't be here for tonight. He will be back tomorrow, though. He was not very happy because he wanted to take his bike. And we're like, yeah, you can take your bike, But upon me trying to get the bike out, it started raining. So we're like, oh, it's raining. Oh, boy. He even started sniffing and trying to cry. And I'm like, come on. It's raining. What are you going to do? Yeah, but I want to ride my bike. I wanted to ride. And I'm like, yeah, but it's raining. Even the mom of his best friend, who we spoke to her, she said, yeah, if it stops raining, they can go out. But she wasn't about to, let them play in the sun. And I said, listen, she's going to be responsible for you for the next few hours. You can't be, telling her what to do. She's responsible for you. She just said, you will not go out in the rain. She said, if it stops, you can go out. But he was not happy. He was literally not happy. He was like, yeah, God, guys, thank God my washing machine dries. Because this whole, putting clothes all over the house to dry, no, that is actually long. I remember, especially now with the 6 of us in this house, imagine trying to put clothes all over the house to dry. This house will be full of clothes everywhere, from the, what's it called, curtain rail to the heaters to the bun. No, thank God. Even when I got the washing machine, at first I thought, I would not use it, the dryer. I would not use the drying, setting. When I first tried it, I was like, oh, so this is the life of a dryer. Because for me, I say it's a dryer because it does dry, isn't it? So it's 2-in-1, so it washes and dries if you want. So I was like, oh, so this is the life. Okay. So nowadays I just wash and dry iron it, because there's literally it's faster than me trying to put them all over the house to dry, and then it makes the the window steamy and then mold and so that's what I do. That's what I've been doing since then. Wash, dry, and especially if it's a last minute thing. Sometimes kids wake up in the morning like, oh mommy, I don't have a shirt for school. I'm like, okay, we'll put it in, quick setting, quick wash and dry, and then dries it, bam, we're gone. Guys, when you have those clothes where they say you need to dry clean them, I'm literally one of those people who doesn't really actually, I really don't even, no, I actually don't have clothes that really are for dry cleaning, I don't. So I have this jacket that was I bought it from New Look, and it said dry cleaning, and I'm like, bruh, really? So I thought, okay, honestly, for the last maybe year or two, I've kept it in a bag thing saying, I'm going to dry clean it, I'm going to dry clean it, I'm going to dry clean it. Have I ever done it? No. So the last couple of days I was like, you know what, let me put it in a washing machine and wash it and see what happens. Listen, I rebelled, mate. I washed it and it came out fine. Obviously it has bubbles. I need to use that what's it called, that thing, there's a machine which you use to take off bubbles and stuff, and it came out fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It didn't, you know, lose anything. It didn't shrink. I tried it on, it still fits, and I'm like, you know what, sometimes you just put it, obviously if it's got, you know, like beading or whatever, that's different, but it's just a jacket, you know, it's just a normal jacket, nothing special. It doesn't have like fur or anything like that. It's just a, I think it's wool, I don't know, I think it's wool. So I put it in and I washed it and I was like, okay, so please, 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 come on, all right, come on, all right, and it came out fine. And I was like, okay. Guys, Christmas songs have started. They've literally been playing for the last, I don't know, since I've been ironing. They've started, and even celebs have been on the thing, wishing you happy birthday, wishing you a Merry Christmas. And I'm like, okay, boy, here we go. I mean, I've seen some people saying, oh, we started our Christmas shopping and all of that. I'm like, no, I literally haven't even done a list. I've not even thought about Christmas shopping. Like, literally, I mean, the way it works over here in UK is that they put up Christmas shopping decorations as well as Halloween stuff at the same time. So once Halloween is gone, you know, the Christmas things are, you know, already there. So some of us who don't, you know, celebrate Halloween, I was like, well, you might as well, because my daughter was saying, oh, Halloween hasn't been here, and I'm like, yeah, but if you don't celebrate Halloween, you might as well, you know, start with your Christmas stuff. But there's always a time limit when people say, oh, this is the right time to put up a Christmas tree, this is the right time to do this. So guys, you have a time when you start putting up your like tree and buying your decorations and stuff. When do you start doing your Christmas shopping, like presents and stuff? Let me know in the comment section, because for me, sometimes I even leave it like a week or two before. It's ridiculous. But I always tell myself every year, like after Christmas or whatever, I'm like, I'm gonna do my Christmas shopping early. I'm gonna do it early. Do I ever do it? No. It's always lastminute.com. And it really, it stresses my life. It stresses my life. But I think the last few years I've done everything online, because I just didn't have the energy to go in the shops, and the twins were young at that time, so I don't have time to, you know, go in the shops. And you know, so it was always a rush. I need to get back, feed the twins, I need to go back before they wake up, kind of thing. So the last 2 years 2 years I think, yeah, I've done them online. So this year it'll probably be the same, because I don't know if the shops will still be open with what's going on in the world. I don't know if the shops will still be open, so it might be an online shopping again, which I have no problem with. I'm not mad at it. It saves me from going to fight in shops with people. So I think I might do that online shopping, because it's really easy. It's convenient. It's really convenient.